clap.
Dr. Foster packed his bag, wore a coat and checked his map. Took a train to Rainbow Town, where raindrops like to tap. Splish, splash, puddles deep, water swirled around his feet. Dr. Foster laughed out loud, dancing under thunderclouds. He met a frog with boots of blue, who said, "Let's hop, I'll race with you." They leapt through puddles side by side, with umbrellas open wide. Splish, splash, puddles deep, water swirled around his feet. Dr. Foster twirled and spun, having oh so much fun. He slid down hills of soggy grass, waved at ducks as they paddled past. He used a leaf to sail a stream. A rainy day turned to a dream. As stars appeared and skies grew calm, he wrapped up warm and hummed a song. Dr. Foster tipped his hat and waved goodbye. Just like that, splish, splash, puddle ride, with muddy boots and joy inside. Every drop became a cheer when Dr. Foster wandered near.